Graphic designing refers to the process of creating visual content using various elements such as images, typography, colors, and layout to communicate a message or convey information. It is a creative discipline that involves combining art, technology, and communication skills to produce visually appealing and effective designs. Graphic designers use their creativity and technical skills to create designs for a wide range of mediums, including print, digital media, branding, advertising, packaging, and more. They play a crucial role in visually representing concepts, ideas, and messages in a visually appealing and impactful way. Here are some key aspects and tasks involved in graphic designing. 1. Visual identity and branding. Graphic designers often work on developing visual identities and branding elements for companies, organizations, or products. This includes designing logos, selecting color schemes, creating brand guidelines, and ensuring consistent visual representation across different platforms. 2. Print design. Graphic designers create designs for various print materials such as brochures, posters, business cards, magazines, packaging, and signage. They consider factors like layout, typography, imagery, and color to create visually compelling and functional designs. 3. Digital design. With the increasing prevalence of digital media, graphic designers also create designs for websites, mobile applications, social media graphics, digital advertisements, and other digital platforms. They consider factors like user experience, UX, interactivity, and responsiveness in their designs. 4. Typography. Graphic designers work with typography to select appropriate fonts, adjust spacing, and arrange text in a visually pleasing and readable manner. Typography plays a vital role in conveying the tone and style of a design. 5. Image editing and manipulation. Graphic designers often work with image editing software, such as Adobe Photoshop, to enhance and manipulate images, create compositions, and retouch photographs. They may adjust colors, remove or add elements, or combine multiple images to create visually appealing designs. 6. Layout and composition. Graphic designers consider the arrangement and organization of elements within a design to create a visually balanced and harmonious composition. They pay attention to factors like hierarchy, spacing, alignment, and visual flow to guide the viewer's attention and ensure effective communication. 7. Communication and collaboration. Graphic designers often collaborate with clients, copywriters, marketers, and other stakeholders to understand the design requirements and objectives. They communicate ideas, present design concepts, and incorporate feedback to deliver designs that meet the desired goals. Graphic designing requires a combination of technical skills, creativity, and a good understanding of visual principles and aesthetics. Graphic designers often use software tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and others to create and manipulate designs. They need to stay updated with design trends, emerging technologies, and industry practices to produce innovative and impactful designs. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.